Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Forex Black Box. I'm gonna do a quick update on Gbpaud. The last video I did, I created how I talked about this area, 7.77% Fibonacci, which is actually stopped here, and we have a very nice, lovely push back up, very impulsive um, wave one. I'm looking at 4 hour at the moment. I like to look at large time frame. Will give me a good picture of where I'm standing. That's my position so far. I went up 186 pips, come back down. See, I can think it's going to come back and test this level and continue back up for wave 3. Wave 3 should be up to this area and maybe possibly it's going to touch this area. So I'm talking about 370 pips trade. Still, my trade is still up all the way up, but if I come up here and start to see small waves and start to make lower high, then I'll be exiting that position. I'll try to short for another wave down. If we have a big spike up here and break this high, that will be amazing, big day. Um, let's just calculate that quickly. I'm in 1 hour, 4 hour here, as you can see. Stopped here as predicted as 0.77% and spike back up, break the previous high and it's close above it. That's confirmation. That's wave 1. We should see wave 2. Let's calculate this in 4 hour. Let's just put my tools here. Um, just make it 50% is very impressive. Push back up 61. Here we go. It's gonna break the low and we're looking for high to this area. Yeah, just change this quickly. Change the color so we have a different color. There you go. So that's what I'm looking at. Wave 1 impulsive corrective wave. Wave 2 61%. It doesn't have to be 61%. It could be between the 50 and 77. Just what happened here at this area. Impulsive wave 2, wave 3 expected to break higher than wave 1. Wave 3 should break the high and go all the way up to D, and D it's just between this area and this area. Okay, so make a couple of copy of those, put it here so we know what we're talking about. Excuse me. This is where we're going to see some kind of consolidation before we make another wave down. Okay, as you can see, that worked very well today, and it's Monday only. I know some kind of maybe positive news of Prime Minister Boris to see what kind of deal we can get and all stuff. In my opinion and my view of Brexit, Boris is going to do everything he could to have a good deal with Europe because that's what he wants to do. Because if he doesn't, he's not suitable to be Prime Minister, then they will trigger general election. So he's going to do as much as he can and he will try to work between both sides until we get a deal. However, from that impulsive wave I can see is quite strong, very strong. London open and start to push all the way up. Now is a pullback. That's normal. That's absolutely healthy to see pullback, breaking pieces, not a spike down or a big rejection. Pieces like here. Then after that we're gonna see another wave up, probably above this area, maybe the 77 area, which is exactly here, meeting that high, which will be great. We're gonna see another wave small here, then another wave back up. That's a small time frame, which is 4 hour. If you look on the daily, just remove all these guys. If you remember my last video, I said probability is going to stop here. For that's wave 1, wave 2, and wave 3 is going to break that high and retrieve back, as I did say. And after that, I'm going to see a little bit low here for the smaller wave to be created and completed. Then we should see wave, big wave up here, try to challenge this area and this area. Okay, that's what I'm looking at to get out between these two areas. And we're going to see another wave, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down the line here. Let me just put my drawing back and try to draw it manually. That's the daily. I expect that to come back down here and push back up. Another wave, come back to this area, break it. Then we should say wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we should see break high up to this level. But I can get out here and I take advantage of the short. I can short it. Then after that, if I see evidence of any long position started to build up, I will be longing again. And that's how you trade the market. Don't stay with one trade. Don't try to be a hero and don't lose money. It's not fair to lose money on Forex. Okay, guys. Um, just quickly look at the news, what's coming up. As usual, I look at the news. Okay, where we are here. High impact, 10 hours. That's Europe. Then after that, UK. Tomorrow is very big day for UK and big news. High impact news on Europe. I expect that news is going to be positive. Just mark my word. That's going to be positive news. It's going to push the pound even higher. Okay. Europe is going to as well be positive news, and they're going to make the currencies push higher. That's main. Aussie, New Zealand, US dollar will pull back or go down. So that's my view. And yeah, so I will upload other couple video for update of pound USD and pound yen shortly. And please subscribe, like, share, and hit the bell button and to receive my new video notification. Okay, guys, good luck, all the best. Thank you very much. Good night. Bye.